Hello everyone, welcome back. If you try to update your iPhone to a latest iOS version, iOS 17, iOS 17.1, iOS 17.1.1, but your update is stuck on pause, then do the following steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please do like, share and subscribe. Before move to solutions, we have to keep in mind these things. Number 1, we have a strong internet connection with the Wi-Fi, not a cellular data. Number 2, the iPhone battery is not low. Number 3, we are not connected to any VPN. If this thing is good, then we move to solutions. Number 1, launch settings. Here we have to tap on screen time and tap content and privacy restrictions. Here we have to enable content and privacy restrictions and tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, then tap installing app and select allow. It's already select allow, then select don't allow, wait for a few seconds, then back to allow. After that we have to go back to settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap iPhone storage. Now make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. Then make some space by deleting necessary application and the media from your iPhone. After that we have to go back to settings, then tap on background app refresh, tap again background app refresh and turn off background app refresh. Thing that we have to do, we have to tap on VPN and device management. Now check the list, is there is any beta profile installed on your iPhone, then tap on that beta profile and remove the beta profile. What we have to do, we have to go back to settings. Here we have to tap on battery and disable low power mode. Now force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, launch settings, general, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. By doing these easy and simple steps, you will get rid of this issue. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.